Welcome to this one-of-a-kind property, ideally situated on top of Chehalem Mountain in Newberg. This expansive property on 15 acres features sweeping four-mountain views. This custom home of more than 3,500 square feet offers unparalleled tranquility in this beautiful, serene setting. Fenced pastures are farm stock ready, and you have room for all of your vehicles, toys, and horses, with an 82 by 12-foot barn and outbuilding with a workshop. From your gazebo sitting area, listen to the waterfall pond, unwind and connect with nature. Heading inside, an inviting living room features a vaulted cedar-lined ceiling, a rock wood-burning fireplace, and a wall of windows where you can take in the rolling pastures and valley views. Hardwood floors lead to the formal dining room with views of its own. The updated kitchen features oak cabinets, slab granite countertops, a cooktop island, and stainless steel appliances. It opens to the family room with a cozy wood stove, access to the deck, and a sunroom perfect for the orchid lover. You'll find a private retreat in the spacious master suite. It has direct access to a view deck. Plus, you'll find a walk-in closet, huge shower, and 2 vanity areas. On the lower level, a bonus or media room is complete with a wood brick fireplace. And you'll find 3 additional good-sized bedrooms and a full-size bath. Relax in your hot tub on the huge entertainer's deck. It looks out upon the carefully planned landscaping and picturesque mountainside and valley. Serenity is all yours as you wander the flagstone pathways, surrounded by mature plantings, Asian pear trees, and lush greenery. In addition to the fully wired outbuilding, the wood barn has a tack room, 3 10 by 10-foot stalls, easy access hayloft, loafing area, and much more. And you'll love the convenient location, just 30 minutes to the high-tech corridor and less than 5 miles to downtown Newberg shopping. A top-of-the-mountain paradise, ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Kari Fahrenkopf with Premier Property Group.